4-year-old is murdered. What do you want to say about that case, sir?
It is a very bad thing that a elderly lady, 64 years old, Bhidkar, was murdered at a residence in Baina by one young person who was from Assam, and due to swift action of our police and our team, we could apprehend the accused before he could leave the state or run away. We have taken the accused in custody. We have done all the legal formalities. Forensic team was also brought. We have lifted all the crucial evidence which we have collected, and we have been on the line of investigation, and we will be placing the accused under arrest.
So any details of the motive or anything has been ascertained?
So far we haven't come across anything, neither has been disclosed by the accused, but later in the interrogation we should be able to find the motive of this murder.
So after cracking the case within no time, primary investigations are as of now going on in the police station?
Yeah, investigations are going on, and our team has worked with a lot of effort to come to a conclusion where we have arrested the accused.